It's the Woody Woodpecker Show. $1 billion boners. What this one is called. Let's go dig it. It's Woody. Yeah, the phone died on me in the middle of the Tom and Jerry videos, jumping out in the other room. So I saw this plug in on it. What the fuck? This kick on my iPad is very fucking shitty though. If I went my way to smoke brush out in there, I'll probably start recording these on my iPad. I'm bringing it to there. But right now it's YouTubers. $1 billion. So as that chicken, my next year, $1 billion brown in 1960. Man, see $1 billion, but only if he doesn't harm Woody Woodpecker, don't stop pestering him. That's how he's fruit, bro. Take one here, bro. Here, bro. It's over, bro. It's over, bro. What's over, bro? What? When gets $1 billion? He's the little guy, I guess. Here you go, bro. I think you're gonna. See, I guess you just logged on there, so all the rooms are propagated. I don't think so, bro, yet. See, actually, you love Neil for another chat. I said garbage chat. Cobra Kai chat, something in there. I can open it though. I can't. Hey, Laura. And pause. Hashtag berries and bitches raw ruckus. We gotta get these kids at SCFU with their cheer practice. So we'll pause. Hashtag give me panda bitches and nose covers. Oh, your mom, no. Okay, it's actually the first ever Woody Woodpecker tune. Let's go, Woody Woodpecker. Video over. Peace out.